Hi! Does your family have to wait for holidays to experience 5-star resort comfort and luxurious amenities? What if I say that you can give them resort lifestyle their whole life? Especially in times like pandemic, when going to resort looks like a distant dream. In just under 15 minutes, today I am going to review a sample unit of 5 BHK at Vastu compliant Excel residences, what I'd call Sky Villas. Who am I? I am Siddharth Kankriya, your prime property reviewer. VXL is a premium segment of an 18 acres township called My World, located just opposite airport on Jalna Road in Aurangabad. This massive project consists of 26 spectacular towers comprising of 2, 3, 4 and 5 BHK apartments ranging from 1000 to 3700 square feet. It has a mammoth 1.5 acre central amenity space offering world-class luxurious amenities like a huge swimming pool with privacy, Olympic standards tennis court, mini theatre, indoor games, cafeteria, a gym with steam bath, multi-purpose banquet hall, and the list is endless. This project is being developed by Manjeet Pride Ventures. As far as I've known Pride Group, the USP that I believe they have is establishing the concept of large living in Aurangabad, especially in times when the average sizes of the houses are reducing in the market. With a rich experience of completing 20 plus projects in the last 18 years and with a client base of 4,000 plus happy families, let me not waste any more time and take you to their latest creation of crown jewel. VXL residences will be 9-storied in height. In the 5 BHK towers, every floor will have only 2 Vastu compliant flats with 2 staircase and 2 big stretcher lifts. Solid construction quality should be a concern. With 9-inch exterior wall breaks and 6-inch interior wall breaks, quality looks promising. This sample unit has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 6 balconies, measuring approximately 3,700 square feet with 4 car parks and an exterior staff quarter. In the whole video tour, I am going to review the interior specifications provided by the developer. Mostly people thinking of buying flats can't imagine having a massive living room. One of the biggest reasons why they turn to the idea of making a villa. What you will get here is a grand 450 square feet hall with formal and informal seating. As you enter the house, the shiny reflection of large-sized JVT marble design flooring will just bring a glow on your face. What you will also get here is plain and elegant false ceiling, something I would definitely expect from such a house. All the rooms in this house are designed to appeal the indoor-outdoor connectivity. The hall has a 15 feet wide French door that opens to 110 square feet terrace area, giving a grand view of the 1.5 acre central amenity space. Not only this, if you include this third bedroom that you will see later, in this living room, the entire length of this hall would measure 42 feet in length. That is the entire length of building from the east end to the west end. What is most unique to this property? Here is a beautiful guest basin submerged in a granite countertop with a pre-installed long mirror. There is a complete guest bathroom with a shower and a western toilet. This is the kind of living room that when you invite guests in, they will definitely be blown away. An interesting fact, a 1 BHK from a budget home project could fit in the size of this entire living room. They say that the fondest meals and memories are made at the dining table. As you can see, you get a large dining area that can comfortably fit an 8-seater dining table. What I specifically observed and liked here is that when your family members are cooking, the easy connect from the kitchen to the dining table plays a very important part in making their day-to-day life easy. I also love the 2-color tone of the flooring that highlights the dining area. If nothing else in this house, I would be completely sold on this kitchen. There is so much to show here. The developer provides a complete modular kitchen with these overhead cabinets, branded 4-burner hob, and a chimney. You will just love the finish of the granite kitchen top and dual anti-scratch stainless steel sink. Soft closing doors, cabinet doors, and pull-out trays shows that the developer has gone that extra mile in enhancing the kitchen experience. Not only that, even the interior of the cabinets are well laminated. That shows the attention to detail. And the best part, you get all this in the cost of the house. There's a lot of storage space in all these drawers and cabinets. We can also fit a large 600 double-door modern refrigerator, an oven, and this island table is just enough to accommodate prepared food to serve the guests sitting on the dining table. How convenient! The kitchen with its Vastu compliance gets a wide east-facing window, ensuring great morning sunlight and ventilation, usually the time when there is a lot of hustle in the kitchen. In fact, to ensure even more sunlight, a see-through aluminum glass door is installed. Which brings us now to the massive utility area. This is the size of utility area I would mostly see in a villa. There is big enough segregated wet area along with a separate space for gas cylinder from where the gas pipe goes to your hob. On the other side is a bigger dry area where you can accommodate washing machine, dishwasher, ironing board, etc. By the way, you still feel that the kitchen does not have enough storage space? To your surprise, you get an additional storeroom just adjacent to the utility area to store your yearly groceries. Finally, we're going to start with the first of the 5 bedrooms in this house that falls on right hand side in the entrance lobby of this home. Let's go and see it. This is a massive 325 square feet bedroom space, including the area of the walk-in wardrobe, the bathroom and the terrace. Again, the exterior wall is a complete French sliding door opening up to a terrace, giving you beautiful sunset views in the west. A highlight worth mentioning, the developer is giving pre-installed AC in every bedroom. The separate walk-in wardrobe attached to the bathroom is the luxury of space that makes this a sky villa. And the bathroom specifications would escalate this further to a resort feel. The developer has really worked on giving a luxurious bathroom. The glass cubicle with premium Jacquard chrome finish CP fittings creates a cozy shower area. In every bathroom, you get all these specifications with false ceiling, exhaust fan, a beautiful western toilet with concealed flush tank, taking care of aesthetics while saving excess flushing of water. To add to it, you will also get a beautiful basin submerged in granite countertop, premium designer water taps, and pre-installed big mirrors. So, if you have 2 kids, be prepared to resolve the fight for this room. Now let's go ahead to bedroom number 2. This bedroom measures 225 square feet, including the bathroom area. The room comfortably fits a king-size bed, a study table, and a wardrobe. Honestly, the low-side seating feature is what caught my eye. Watching sunrise while having morning coffees by the east-facing window, that's just my kind of morning. Its bathroom again has a luxurious feel with similar premium specifications as seen before. Time to hit bedroom number 3. This is the room adjacent to the hall that I showed you before. This room measures approximately 149 square feet, including the balcony area, and is staged as a home theater room by the developer. I can just think of so many possibilities with this room, like having a beautiful bar with a terrace, a music room, a home office, or maybe just another bedroom. If I would merge this place in the hall, I would definitely bring in a pool table here. Finally, we come to the most awaited part of this house, the 2 master bedrooms. Yes, you heard me right. This Sky Villa has 2 master bedrooms. Let's hit the first one. This room measures 350 square feet, including the walk-in wardrobe and the balcony area. This room comfortably fits a king-size bed and an informal seating space. The highlight of the room is this huge balcony. It's a unique balcony with complete privacy and see-through glass railing attached to the bedroom. Getting to the other part, you again get a consistent luxurious resort feel of walk-in wardrobe and bathroom space with similar fittings as we have seen in the bathroom of the first bedroom. Time to head to what I would call the master living suite room. Yes, the master bedroom belongs to the boss of the house, and this room is no less than a suite room from a resort. Let's go and check it out. Getting through the entrance lobby, we enter a massive room measuring 480 square feet, including the walk-in wardrobe, bathroom, and the balcony. This room comfortably accommodates a king-size bed and an informal seating for watching TV or placing a study table. You will love the massive 12 feet sliding French door that opens up to a massive balcony, giving the grand west views again. What I would like to highlight is the exterior textured wall, not what you would usually get from any developer. What you are even gonna love more is the massive walk-in wardrobe with dressing and the bathroom space. Ladies in the house can no more complain for shortage of space and can go on an endless shopping spree with such a massive wardrobe space to fill. Finally getting to the epitome of luxury, the master bathroom. The whole bathroom has gold-plated chrome finished CP fittings, a cozy shower area overlooking the green bed will just make you feel like bathing in the nature. You get a bathtub, premium western toilet and double basin with these golden taps and mirrors. In other words, this truly is a master bathroom. So, what you have seen yet is just the detailed interior of this apartment. There is so much more in terms of product and premium amenities to offer in this project that I can't comprehend in a video. Doesn't this house make complete sense compared to making a villa by yourself? Before you end this video, check out the list of other premium interior specifications given in this flat by the developer. See you at next property. Signing off, Siddharth Kankriya.